Why is XRP seeing a monster rally when Ripple is worth just $3 billion on the secondary market? Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, we surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we got actually a really in-depth video on XRP on price. Right now, we know that the price is running up, but there's a lot of talk about, is it overvalued? Is the price correct? And there's been a lot of articles written about this in just the recent time. So we're going to go ahead and cover all of the details on the price of XRP versus the price of Ripple, how they're correlated, and is XRP still a good buy at this time? We're then going to look at the live charts of XRP on the daily, 4-hour, and the 1-hour charts. And then we'll also look at the Cointelegraph Markets Pro score so we can see how the XRP total economy is coming together. So stick with me till the end of this video. Thank you so much. Let's get started. So in this article here, Joseph Young writes, why is XRP seeing a monster rally when Ripple is worth just $3 billion on the secondary market? Ripple is reportedly trading at a $2 to $3 billion valuation, but its XRP holdings are worth around $70 billion. The equity of Ripple, the company that builds the infrastructure around XRP, the digital asset used by networks like RippleNet to process cross-border payments, is reportedly trading at $2 to $3 billion in the secondary market. Yet XRP holdings of Ripple are reportedly worth $70 billion, which is many times higher than the valuation of the firm's equity. Charlie Biello writes, return for last year, Cardano 88, 3290%, Binance Coin 3058%, Polkadot 1353%, Ethereum 1171%, Uniswap 953%, Chainlink 875%, Bitcoin 728%, XRP 532%, Litecoin 406%, Bitcoin Cash 161%, gold 3%, and the US dollar index is down 8%. Michael Novogratz, the billionaire cryptocurrency investor and the CEO of Galaxy Digital, said Ripple equity is trading in secondary markets at $2 to $3 billion valuation. The XRP on their balance sheet is worth approximately $70 billion. One price seems wrong. If XRP price is saying settlement coming, the equity is crazy cheap. If not, the token seems expensive. So is XRP undervalued? Not exactly. According to Leonidas Hadjazlazou, a longtime cryptocurrency researcher, XRP that is locked in Ripple's balance sheet are in escrow are likely not priced into Ripple's equity. As such, these holdings are not accessible until they start unlocking, which might not be priced in the value of the firm's equity. He said, well, $62 billion of the XRP in Ripple's balance sheet is locked in escrow. At the same time, Ripple's XRP sales are the ones under attack from the SEC, so the market probably hasn't priced in Ripple's XRP holdings since they are in limbo right now. In December of 2017, the Ripple team explained that the XRP holdings in Ripple's escrow unlocked by 1 billion XRP per month for 55 subsequent months. You can see here on the tweet from Whale Alert on April 1st of this year, 400 million XRP, 995, $603 million in USD transferred from Ripple escrow wallet to an unknown wallet. The team said at the time, the escrow consists of independent on-ledger escrows that release a total of 1 billion XRP each month over the next 55 months. This provides an upper limit on the amount of new XRP that can be brought into circulation. The amount of XRP actually released into circulation will likely be much less than this. Theoretically, the value of Ripple's equity would be considered undervalued if the amount of XRP on the firm's balance sheet unlocks and the price of XRP does not drop. The question on the discrepancy between the value of Ripple's equity and the amount of its XRP holdings started to emerge as the price of XRP started to rally above $1. Despite an ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Since April 1st, the price of XRP rallied from 57 cents all the way to a high of $1.49 by around 160%. What is behind the XRP rally? Throughout the past 2 weeks, the main catalyst of the 160% rally came from victories in the company's legal battle. Ripple's lawyers were granted access to internal SEC discussion history regarding cryptocurrencies, and a court denied the SEC the ability to disclose the financial records of 2 Ripple execs, including CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Another reason may be the convergence trade between Bitcoin and altcoins, particularly as BTC sees sideways price action, allowing alternative cryptocurrencies to rally and catch up. Kelvin Ko, the managing partner at Spartan Group, one of the largest DeFi-focused funds in Asia, said that large quant funds try to trade the convergence between Bitcoin and major altcoins. Hence, the trade of capital moving into altcoins and back into Bitcoin occurs periodically, Ko wrote. The reason this happens periodically is because there are a bunch of quant funds out there that play the convergence trade between BTC and a handful of liquid alts. Whenever their alts look cheap relative to BTC, they pile in. When they look expensive, they rotate back to BTC. No fundamentals involved, so don't try too hard to rationalize the moves. The strategy has proven effective over time, and there are enough managers playing this that it becomes self-fulfilling and keeps recurring. All right, so here we have the daily charts for XRP, and as you can see, it has been making a nice major run-up, made a run-up all the way to $1.50, basically the new psychological barrier at this time frame, and then it bounced off, and it's doing a retracement right now. On the daily, we have a massive power candle yesterday that went from $1.02 all the way up to $1.36. So I was like a 35-cent move in that one power candle there. We have an hour and 49 minutes left in today's candlestick. Down here on the TDI, it's showing that it's in an overbought situation. It has bounced off that 80 and then it's coming back up there. So we may see a little bit of a turn down or retracement here. I would be watching very closely if you're looking for an entry. If you're already in and you are looking for a short-term exit, keep in mind that this is showing a potential turn down for the market. So it just depends on the volume that comes in over the next couple of hours and tomorrow as well. But this candlestick is not looking very positive or bullish at all. It's actually got a pretty severe bearish candle right here. However, you never know what happens if some volume comes in or some news pops in for XRP, then obviously it can pump up. Also, this is not financial advice. This is just financial education and fun. So consult your financial advisor or your crypto mentor on getting in and out of trades. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart now. So on the 4-hour chart, the nice run up came with a nice, basically a retest of what was a resistance line. It broke through the resistance line, came back and created that into a support. It went up, consolidated over for a few hours and made that nice run up yesterday. And it's been just taking a little minor pullback here. So on the last 4-hour candle, which again also ends in an hour and 47 minutes, it is on a downtrend. But you know what? This is looking positive because it looks like it's going to bounce off this moving average and potentially make another nice run back up to the 80 section. So short term, looking positive. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Oh man, the 1 hour is looking fantastic. So it's already down at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. That either that's going to signify a new return up, because if you'll notice, every time it comes to the bottom, the blue line, and it gets here, it then starts its next move up. So right here, it hovered for a couple of hours and then it finally started its move up. But it is here. It's been bouncing off the Bollinger. It's been under it a couple of times. So the next couple of hours are going to be important for XRP to see what happens. If this price continues to turn down, the moving average is starting to turn down, but it's already down into the bands for the EMA ribbons. So it's actually not looking too bad on the short term. Plus, we know that there's a lot of hype right now and the volume is pumping in pretty big. So the moving averages are still in an upward trajectory. This is at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, meaning it's time to turn back around. So yeah, looking good for XRP. Now let's go take a look at the score for the CoinMarkets Pro. All right, so here we have the CoinMarkets Pro score. The market cap's $62 billion right now. Trading volume is down significantly today. 80% of it's only down to $22 billion. Tweet volume, though, still continuing to really ramp up, which is really, really positive for showing the hype behind XRP as well. The score is currently at a 55. Obviously, you want to see that in the 65 range or higher for positive moves up. So it's starting to peel up nicely. Let's take a look at the daily here. So yesterday it was up to a 66, came down to a low point of 39, and it's starting to make its move back up. It's at a 55 over the last couple of hours. All right, so that is the update on XRP for the day. 55 Vortex score. In the short term, looks like we're going to have a little bit of a run up. In the daily candle, looks like we could be having a continued pullback here over the next couple of days. So keep an eye out on it. If you're a long-term holder, you're holding anyway. If you are short-term trading, just keep an eye on those things there. So hope this video was helpful. We are going to be having a crypto trading school coming to our channel shortly. We'll give you some more information about that. So talk to you soon.